my channel. So today's video is going to be a decluttering my nail polishes video. I have so much nail polish. I don't know what to do with it, and a lot of it is kind of like, ugh. Like, you guys will see, it's like kind of like, ugh. So I really need to get rid of it, and yeah, so I decided to, why not film it and do it with you guys, because it gives me motivation to clean when I'm filming. I don't know why. If anybody else gets that way, let me know. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, let me know down below. If you guys want more like decluttering my desk, decluttering more makeup, like lipstick, because I have a lot of lipstick that I really need to like go down, and I think that's going to be a video in the future. So if you guys definitely want me to do that, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the video, and enjoy. So starting off with this decluttering nail polishes, I'm just going through all my nail polishes. As you can see, I have a decent amount of nail polish, so I decided to go through what I want to keep, what I want to throw away, and I have this bag from Rite Aid that I use to throw away all the bad nail polish that wasn't really good anymore. As you can see here, this is the bag that I am throwing out. That is pretty much a lot, and then I'm going to put in a container of all the nail polish that I am going to keep, as you can see what I am doing now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't given it a big thumbs up, do so right now. Subscribe down below for more videos in the future, because you'll see a lot more decluttering. Like I said in the intro, I find motivation to clean when I'm filming for some odd reason. I don't know why, but as you guys saw, I got rid of all these nail polishes. Like literally, like, I'm gonna go throw them out because you guys can see they look like this. And from my understanding, I don't think they're good anymore. So this is what I'm keeping. It's really not much, but these are the colors that I like, and these are the colors that I will use on a day-to-day basis. This is my newest nail polish that I got for free. I love my color. I love like these colors, even for like the summertime. In the summertime, I'll normally go for something bright like this. So this is my favorite one. So I'm still keeping it. Or like I'll go for like a lilac or like a red. But yeah, these are like my go-to nail polish. And then I have some base coats here, so it can like stay on more. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!